Today we are looking at a very nice, completely rebuilt, like new shaker conveyor. This unit is heavy duty, shows very little signs of wear. We're just going to do a walk around of it and then we will fire it up. The sheet metal is in excellent condition on this unit. Again, this unit shows very little signs of wear. This unit was completely disassembled, sandblasted, repainted. All of the bearings were gone through. All of the shaker grommets or shaker bearings on these dog bones here were taken out and replaced. This unit is ready to perform as good as a new one. It looks like a new one. The paint speaks for itself. It has all new drive belts, drive components. The electric motor was rebuilt. It is powered by a 20 horsepower, 3-phase, 230 or 460 volt electric motor. You can see right here at the discharge, this unit has very little signs of wear. It's made out of 3/16 thick steel. And typically if a unit had seen a lot of wear, this would be thinner. You can see that it is very thick. Shows very little signs of wear, if any. This is a beautiful piece of equipment. We are going to test run it and then we are going to go over the exact dimensions. Here we can see the unit running, fires right up. No hesitation on startup. Starts strong, runs strong. It's a well-balanced unit. This unit would do a great job. Again, this would be just as good as a new one. It would perform just like a new one. This unit is in excellent, ready to run condition. This unit might as well be new. Hums right along just like a sewing machine. You can see the eccentrics going around in there. It's an all-round nice unit. We've got a really nice, totally enclosed safety shield here to keep everything safe. You can see the main bearing turning there. This is an all-around nice unit. Now we are going to discuss the dimensions of this unit. The shaker trough width is 38 1/4. The overall width of this unit is 4 feet and 4 inches. That is from the end of the bearing over there to the end of the handle. The overall length of the shaker trough is just under 15 feet 10 inches. You can see it there. It's at 189 3/4. Let's just call it 190 inches in length, and that is the overall length of the machine as well, because the shaker trough hangs over on the discharge end and the end feed end. The depth of the shaker trough is 12 inches. So that is 12 inches from the bottom of the shaker trough up to the lip there. It is 12 inches deep. The width of the shaker trough between each sidewall at that point and this point is 35 1/2 inches. The overall height of this unit is 48 inches. You can see it there on the tape. It's right at 48 inches in overall height. Some people may want to remove this unit off of its feet. So measuring from the base right there, that heavy duty angle iron, up to the top of the shaker trough, the dimension is right at 29 3/4 inches. And then from the ground to the base is 18 1/2 inches. The discharge height of this unit is right at 32 inches. Has a discharge height of 32 inches. And then if you wanted to take it off of the legs, the discharge height would be right at 16 inches.